Today I'm going to show you how to fix gaps in your wood floor. As you can see, we have 3 right here. They're not very pretty, and I'm going to teach you how to get rid of them. This is very simple. All you'll need is a wooden block, some double-sided sticky tape, and a hammer. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is note the direction which you'll be sliding the wooden block. Notice this block starts at this gap and ends right where it meets the wall. So if we push it out a little bit, there might be a little gap on this side, but it'll be along the wall, so it won't be as noticeable. So what we're going to want to do is push the block this way towards the gap. This is very easy to do. What you want to do is take your double-sided tape and stick it to one side of the block. Then flip the block over and apply pressure so that the tape is directly on the floorboard that you want to move. Once you're sure that's secure, take your hammer and start hitting the block from the other side. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Take your wooden block off. Be careful when taking the block off that you don't pull the floorboards up. And that's all there is to it. Now notice on that side we now have another gap. So just repeat the process with that small piece and you're done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.